There is a place in the ocean where sunlight disappears. A place so deep and cold that nothing from our world reaches it. Scientists call it the Midnight Zone. For years, deep-sea equipment has detected something unusual. Large movement, slow, massive. I'm not here to say the Megalodon is alive. I'm here to tell you something more unsettling.
To understand what we lost, we need to understand what it was. The Megalodon was not a movie monster. It was a real animal. It reached about 60 feet in length. It weighed nearly 100,000 pounds. Its teeth were the size of a human hand. It was the largest shark to ever exist. For around 23 million years, it dominated the oceans. Humans have existed for roughly 300,000 years. The Megalodon was ancient long before we appeared. It hunted efficiently. It understood migration patterns. It adapted to changing prey behavior. It was not just large, it was successful. The ocean it lived in was warmer than today. Sea levels were different. Continents were still shifting. In those warm seas, the Megalodon thrived. It hunted large whales, including early ancestors of humpback and sperm whales. Fossils show massive bite marks on whale skulls. Evidence suggests it attacked from above, crushing the head to immobilize prey instantly. It was the apex predator of its time. Nothing hunted it. For millions of years, it had no rival.
Around 3.6 million years ago, Earth began cooling. Ocean temperatures dropped. The warm coastal nurseries where Megalodon raised its young started shrinking. Large whales migrated toward colder waters near the poles. The Megalodon preferred warmer seas and likely could not follow its prey into colder regions long term. This was not a sudden extinction. There was no asteroid, no single catastrophic event. Its food supply declined. Its habitat changed. Over time, it could no longer compete. The world it was built for slowly disappeared. And when a predator loses its environment and food source, survival becomes impossible. Every extinct species had a final individual. The last Megalodon would not have known it was the last. It would have hunted as usual, but prey numbers were lower, waters were colder, territory was shrinking. Eventually, it died. We do not know where. Sharks have cartilage skeletons, not bone, so they rarely fossilize. Most of what we know comes from teeth. The last confirmed Megalodon fossils date to about 3.6 million years ago. After that, the record.
The ocean is nearly 4 miles deep in places. We have explored less than 20% of it. New deep-sea species are discovered every year. Some live under crushing pressure, in total darkness, in freezing water. The ocean remains largely unknown. There is no scientific evidence that Megalodon survived, but the scale of the ocean reminds us how much we still do not understand. Its story officially ends with a fossilized tooth, buried in sediment, 3.5 million years old. The Megalodon was the most powerful marine predator ever known. It survived for 23 million years. It did not lose a battle. It lost its world. When environments change, even the most dominant species can disappear. That is not just history, it's a lesson. This was the story of the last Megalodon. Subscribe to EonVaultTV for more stories from Earth's past.